Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Have you tried cleaning your upholstery furniture? Then look no further than this upholstery cleaner. I really love this. It really helped get spots out of my little stool, and I recommend making sure that you do the 8 to 10 inches away for the spray. Make sure you're outside, well ventilated, even with a mask. And make sure you have a good enough time. This took about a half an hour to dry completely, and I chose to vacuum it, which worked so perfect. It didn't leave any spots, any round circles, and I made sure to use a little brush to gently use on the spots where I maybe sprayed a little thicker because of the spot. And I am just so pleased with this product. I would buy it again and recommend it in a heartbeat because this material was so delicate to work with. I really appreciate having it, and you will too. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.